do.
Get that finger out of your ear. You don't know where that finger's been.
Nice. You found the ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest bet.
Nice. I'm only betting low, but I'm doing okay.
Pick the steak to increase
Pick the
your
steak.
multiplier.
Nope, pick the steak.
Fish.
Shit. Oh, at least it was worth 100.
Can you face some unpleasant facts?
Nope. Nice.
Keep an eye on that number 3 engine gate.
I will.
There's nothing to worry about.
Keep going, baby. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
We're in terrible
No.
trouble. Over.
Keep going. Nice. I think I picked a good one.
A wet sponge.
Come on. Oh, not bad. I didn't pick the shitty one for once.
Oh, yeah?
I get to multiply that. Unless I get something bigger.
Otto's getting
Larger. No.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
Damn it. Alright, pick the multiplier.
Select a first class.
Hurry up, my camera's gonna
multiply
die.
your biggest hit.
Not bad, 20 bucks.